Hey everyone, April Terry with Decathlon Tiny Homes here to show you the 2-in-1 Fotile sink dishwasher combo unit that we have here in our Poseidon model. So let's take a look. It features on the left hand side a really beautiful stainless steel deep sink, and on the right hand side we have the Fotile dishwasher that all you have to do is push this button. It pops up, then you manually pick it up to open it completely. This dishwasher is you can fit a lot of dishes, plates, cups. This little red thing pops out. Easily wipe it down. Also goes in there. Close it back up. Start, and then you're ready to wash your dishes.